Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Today is September 21. This is Tuesday. These are the important articles that you have to concentrate on for competitive exams, and we are also going to discuss why you have to read it and whether you should read it from prelims point of view or from the point of view for mains. Okay, in case if it is for UPSC. Now let us begin with the first article. COVID-19 vaccine export to resume. This is in regards to vaccine Maitri and also COVAX initiative. Remember, why did we stop vaccine Maitri? Because of second wave of COVID-19. Now we are resuming vaccine diplomacy. Right? Read about it. Get an understanding of the starting of vaccine Maitri, how many countries we supplied to, and why we had to stop. From that perspective, you have to read this article. Again, this is for mains. Prelims, okay, but mains it is kind of important, right? Policy question might be asked. Now moving on to the next. SC not to interfere in reopening of schools. Learn why they did not want to interfere into this specific case. This talks about courts should not and cannot run governance. See, there has been a lot of issues in regards to this, where recently various high courts, including Supreme Court, have been passing on orders that tend to have more governance tone than suggestive tone. In this climate, with this background, these kinds of statements do become important. Learn about judicial activism, learn about overreaching authority of Indian judiciary. From that perspective, do read this article. Now moving on. Page number 3, that is city stubble burning, government to spray biodecomposer in paddy fields. Now, this is a very important step. Learn about stubble burning, what are the issues arising out of stubble burning. 2. What are the solutions that are available for stubble burning. 3. What does the new and what do you call them farm laws talk about stubble burning. Okay, from these three perspectives you have to read this article. Mind you, this is important for prelims and this is also important for mains, environmentally, economically and health wise, and it also involves science and technology. This topic alone covers 5 core subjects of competitive exams. That is why we have to read this article. Not only that, also the background article. Now moving on to next. Coming to page number 6, editorial, the end game. This talks about bad bank. I'm repeating it again. Any question regarding bad bank might be asked either this year or next year. My bet is some kind of a question will be asked this year, because bad bank, the concept of bad bank or the news of bad bank has been in the news for the last 1 year. We also heard about it in the last year. Now it has transpired into reality. Please do read it from that perspective. Okay. Hopefully today I'll make an video about this editorial, and I will be giving you a detailed analysis of what bad banks are, what are the entire structure of NARCL and IDRCL, so that you get a wonderful understanding of what the entire topic is. Hopefully please tune in for that video. It will be uploaded by evening and you will get a comprehensive understanding of what bad banks are and how important they are for Indian economy at the end of the day. Moving on to next editorial, fund and faculty count in higher education rankings. See, you have to read it from a prelims perspective. Editorial mains, I'm a little bit skeptical, but for at least prelims, I think a lot of information in this article might be helpful. First, what is the ranking that they are talking about? 2. Who is giving out those rankings? 3. Why are they giving out their rankings? 4. what are the parameters for them to give out these rankings? From that perspective, read this article. The fifth perspective that I would like you or I would suggest you to read is what are the issues in those rankings. So if and when any kinds of mains question is asked, you are prepared for it. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on to the next article. Done and dusted. The NRC process needs closure, not another reboot. So this is an important article. This talks about NRC. Yesterday, because Foreigners Tribunal in Assam came out and said that the NRC is final, even before the central government coming out and saying that the NRC that they did way back in 1950s is final. Now, with that perspective, this editorial becomes important. Learn what NRC is, learn what CA is, and also learn what Foreigners Tribunal is, and what are the constitutional amendments or constitutional regards of all this is important. A question might be asked in both prelims and mains. That is why we are going to give or provide some time to this topic. Now moving on to op-ed, the end of doing business rankings. First, what are ease of doing business index? What were the problems in that index? Why the World Bank decided that they were going to scrap these, right, doing business reports. From that perspective, please do read this article. Also, mind you, what was the final ranking of India in ease of doing business index? That from that perspective, prelims question might be asked, but rest of it, mains is also important. This article is important. Now coming to the next editorial, tackling hate speech. This article takes the example of Kerala. See, my suggestion is don't take the example given in this editorial. First, learn what are the legal provisions against hate speech in our country. Right, there are certain Supreme Court judgments that talk about and against hate speech. Learn about those judgments. Then, depending on your choice, I would suggest you pick an example and try to make a case for it. Because since this case that is taking place in Kerala is new, we don't know what the outcome is going to be, or even we don't know what the don't know whether courts are going to accept the case or not. Since the case is fresh and we don't have much information in regards to anything in that case in Kerala, we would be better off by taking an example that has already been settled by the Supreme Court or by the High Courts. That way we have a fact based answer and speculation is out of question. So my suggestion is take the legal aspect of it, take the Supreme Court aspect of it, and also find a case or a judgment that talks about hate speech in our community. Now moving on to the next article, time to criminalize marital rape. This is also a significant article. First, understand what marital rape is. Two, understand what are the legal provisions for against marital rape. Three, what are the changes that are needed to address the concerns in regards to marital rape. From that perspective, do read this article. Now moving on. Jaishankar warned against adopting constitution only. So this is just a speculation, right? He submitted some documents. We don't know what the full extent of the issue is, but it's a matter of record that India was not happy with the constitution that was adopted in Nepal in 2015. What are we going to read this from this article? First, my understanding is two things. The constitution that Nepal adopted in 2015, the background regarding this. Second, the local minority population of Madhesis. Who are Madhesis? Why are they significant? What are the how are they related to India? From that perspective, read this article. Moving on to the next article, zero ceasefire violations on LOC Army. So this is again in regards to internal security and border security. From that perspective, please to read this article. Now moving on to page number 9. PM Biden bilateral ahead of Quad meet. So this is a significant engagement between both India and US. Remember, this comes after US decision to prevent vaccines getting into India. They haven't supported us. Second, this comes after the recent debacle of America in Afghanistan, the further implications of fallout of Afghanistan in India. So this meet is taking place at a very critical juncture, and this is a very important meet. So we have to wait out what they are going to discuss, but nonetheless we are going to start noticing this event from now on. Now moving on to the next article. SC seeks details on jobs for the disabled. So this is again information, again rights of equality for the disabled and the non-disabled. From that perspective, just read this article. Rights of disability is again a different question, but nonetheless, just to be aware what the Supreme Court is asking or what the government stance is, we are reading this article. Now moving on to the next, Jairam Ramesh says UK's quarantine rule is racist. Now this is an important thing. Why are they saying the UK's vaccine policy is racist? From that perspective, read this article. Now moving on, President honors Brigadier Saraswati. Who is she? Where did she serve? What was the role that she played that made her eligible for this honor from the president? From that perspective, read this article. Now this is a significant question. Buddha collection on display soon. See, what are they going to display? What is the cultural and historical background to this? From that perspective, you have to read this article. Art and culture question possible. Now moving on, again environment. Western Ghats offer major additions to flora. What are they talking about? What are the additions that they are talking about? Prelims questions. You have to read this from that perspective. Also read what Botanical Survey of India is, who releases it, and what are the new species that they have introduced into or inducted into that survey. Moving on to the next, business. Climate change is a key driver of financial risks. So here he is linking up financial risk with climate change. From that perspective, please do read this article. What are the risks involved? How climate change is a key risk factor for financial stability. Learn so that you can give a good explanation as to why climate change is a critical factor in financial stability, not only in India but also around the world. Now moving on to page number 12, world. Opposition alleges fraud after Putin party win. Read this, not important for exam, but nonetheless read this because there has been a lot of discussion in regards to sliding of democracy in various countries around the world, and Russia is no flag bearer of democracy, but nonetheless we are going to read it from that perspective. Now moving on, US to end travel ban for vaccinated passengers. Again, this regards to COVID-19 and travel bans. From that perspective, read this article. Moving on, Biden seeks early dialogue with Macron to ease tensions. This is in regards to AU-KUS security alliance. Again, not important for examination, but just read it to be aware. Apart from that, if you want, you can skip it. Now moving on, Afghan women outraged by Taliban restrictions on work. Again, this is in regards to women's right in Afghanistan. From that perspective, you have to read it. Now moving on to the next little bit small article. Hotel Rwanda hero gets 25-year prison term. Now this is a prelims kind of a question, right? This is something that might be asked. So read what Hotel Rwanda is, who is the hero that they are talking about, and why was he declared a hero. Now moving on to the next, UN chief warns China to avoid war. Which war? Cold War. So this is again the volatile relation between uh, China and US. Just read what he's saying. Mm, we know what is going on, so it doesn't matter much, but nonetheless do read it once so that you get what he's saying. Now, these are the important articles that one has to read for competitive examinations. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss the notifications when a video goes up. Please do leave a comment below whether you liked it or not, or if you have any questions, please do comment below so that we can answer it for you. Particularly, I can answer it for you. Not only that, like and share this video. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.